This video is one of a set of videos supporting the book Finger Multiplying and Other Methods to Use When You Forget Your Times Tables. The videos are accessed from the book using QR codes. In this video I'm going to show you how to multiply the big numbers from 6 to 10 using your fingers. To do this, you number your fingers from 6 to 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, starting at the thumb. On the other hand, it's the same, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can see that in this method, you can only multiply the numbers between the 6 and the 10. The one that I'm going to multiply here is 7 times 8. Now, all you do is take the 7 from one of the hands and touch the 8 finger on the other hand. It's too difficult for me to explain with one pair of hands, so I've made another pair of hands. So we put the 7 against the 8 and then we look where the fingers are. If we include the 7 and the 8, so that's one finger, 2 fingers, 3 fingers, 4 fingers, 5 fingers. So down the bottom, including the 2, we have 5 fingers. So that means we've got 5 tens. So it's the 2 fingers touching plus the other 3 gives us the tens. So we've got 5 tens, and then we look at the fingers that are left. At this side we've got 3, and at that side we've got 2. So this gives us the units. The units is 3 times 2 is 6. So we have 7 times 8 equals 56. Now let's have another look at this. We're multiplying 7 times 8. So we put one of the 7 fingers against one of the 8 fingers. Then we look and count the 2 fingers touching plus the fingers below. In this case, the 2 fingers touching, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and that simply gives you the tens. Then you multiply what's left. You've got 3 left on this side, 2 left on this side, and 3 times 2 is 6. It's that easy. Now let's try 8 times 8. First thing we do is touch the 8 fingers. Next thing, have a look how many, including these 2 fingers it's touching. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the tens is 6, and we've got 2 fingers times 2 fingers. 2 times 2 is 4. So 8 times 8 is 64, and it's that easy. The next one I'm going to do is a wee bit more difficult. We're going to do 6 times 7. It's got just a wee complication in it. So again, all we do, we count the fingers that's touching and anyone below. And you can see here we've got 1, 2, 3. So we've got a 3 for 30. Now have a look at the other ones. We've got 4 here and 3 here. So 3 fours is 12. So it's too big, isn't it? So we'll get 2 and we carry 1. So it means we've got to make the 3 up to a 4. So the answer's 42. Here are 2 examples for you to try. 8 times 6 and 6 times 6. Press pause and try the examples using your fingers. Press play when you're finished and I'll show you the answers. I'll do 8 times 6 first, so we'll take 6 times 6 away. So it's 8 times 6. Remember, you could put it 8 times 6 or 6 times 8 because they both mean the same. I've put it this way around, so we'll just do 8 times 6. So all we do, we look at the two fingers touching, count them as 2, and the other ones below, 3, 4. So we've got 40, and then 2 times 4 is 8. And that's it. 8 sixes is 48, because we've got the two fingers plus another 2 below gives us the tens, 40, and then we multiply what's left, so we get 2 times 4 is 8. So 8 sixes is 48. We'll do the other one. So we get 6 sixes, and this is one with a slight complication because we've got a carry in it. So we put the two sixes together, and there is only the 2 there, so we get 20. But then we've got 4 times 4, that's 16. So we've got a 6, and we carry one onto there, so we get 36. So 6 sixes is 36. Here are the main examples. If it's hard to remember, you can do it on your fingers. Remember, multiplying by 10, you just add a 0. Multiplying by 9, you use the simple single finger method. This method is for the 6 examples here. The first 4 are really easy. The 7 times 6 and 6 times 6 both involve a carry because the units go higher than 10. A message to teachers and learning support assistants out there. Persevere teaching this method to students who are poor at tables. When they can do it, they love doing it, and this helps them to make maths enjoyable for them.